Welcome to our exploration of the most stunning living room transformations you have to see. In this video, we'll take you on a journey through remarkable makeovers that redefine the heart of the home. From the dynamic impact of color to the serene embrace of minimalism, discover how creativity and thoughtful design can elevate your living space. Whether you're looking to incorporate nature indoors or embrace vintage vibes, we've got inspiration that will ignite your imagination and transform your living room into a breathtaking sanctuary. Let's dive into these incredible transformations that showcase the best in design and style. 1. Unveiling the power of color. Color has the remarkable ability to transform any space, and living rooms are no exception. In recent years, bold colors have made a comeback, with designers favoring deep blues, emerald greens, and rich burgundies. These hues create a sense of drama and luxury, turning a mundane living room into a captivating space. Take, for instance, a living room that once sported beige walls. By painting them a deep teal and complementing with gold accents, the room instantly becomes more inviting and elegant. Moreover, color can also be used strategically to alter perceptions of space. Darker shades can make a large room feel cozier, while lighter tones can open up a smaller area. This technique is evident in many modern transformations, where a simple change in paint can redefine a room's entire vibe. 2. The magic of minimalism. Minimalism isn't just a trend, it's a lifestyle choice that many are embracing to create serene and clutter-free living spaces. A minimalist living room focuses on essentials, doing away with unnecessary furniture and decor. This transformation often involves replacing bulky furniture with sleek, multifunctional pieces. For example, a room once filled with heavy wooden furniture might be reimagined with a simple sectional sofa and a few select art pieces. The result is a space that feels open, airy, and calming. By eliminating clutter, minimalism also allows for a greater appreciation of natural light and architectural features. This approach is particularly popular in urban settings, where space is at a premium and every inch counts. 3. Integrating nature indoors. Biophilic design, the concept of bringing nature indoors, has gained traction in living room transformations. Incorporating elements like indoor plants, natural wood, and stone can create a harmonious and refreshing environment. A living room with a wall of lush greenery not only enhances air quality but also adds a touch of serenity. This trend is about more than just aesthetics, it's about creating spaces that promote well-being. By integrating natural elements, homeowners can craft a living room that feels both grounded and invigorating. This approach is particularly effective in urban areas, where access to nature might be limited, offering a daily escape from the hustle and bustle. 4. Open-plan living. The open-plan living room is a revolutionary change that has swept through modern homes. This transformation involves removing walls to create a seamless flow between the living area, kitchen, and dining space. The result is an expansive, multifunctional area that's perfect for entertaining and family gatherings. An example could be a traditional living room with separate dining and kitchen areas, reinvented by knocking down barriers to form one cohesive space. Open-plan living not only enhances social interaction but also maximizes natural light, making the entire area feel brighter and more spacious. It's a design choice that reflects a shift towards more communal and flexible living environments. 5. Reviving with vintage vibes. Nostalgia has a strong influence on interior design, leading to a revival of vintage styles in living rooms. This transformation involves incorporating retro furniture, patterns, and colors that evoke past decades. Imagine a living room that feels straight out of the 70s, complete with a velvet sofa, geometric patterns, and a record player. Vintage transformations offer a unique blend of charm and character, creating spaces that feel both familiar and unique. By mixing old with new, these living rooms often achieve a timeless appeal. It's about celebrating the past while making it relevant for today's lifestyle. 6. Technology meets comfort. Incorporating technology into living room design has become increasingly popular, transforming these spaces into smart, comfortable havens. From built-in sound systems to automated lighting, technology enhances both functionality and convenience. A living room fitted with a large smart TV, voice-controlled lights, and a high-tech sound system offers an immersive experience. These transformations are not just about gadgets. They focus on creating a seamless integration where technology complements the room's aesthetics. As technology continues to evolve, living rooms are becoming more adaptable, catering to entertainment, relaxation, and even remote work needs. 7. Playing with textures. Texture can add depth and interest to any living room transformation. By mixing materials like velvet, leather, wood, and stone, designers can create spaces that are visually and tactilely engaging. Imagine a room with a plush velvet sofa contrasted against a rough stone fireplace. The juxtaposition creates a sense of balance and intrigue. This approach also allows for personal expression, as homeowners can play with different combinations to reflect their style. Textural transformations are versatile, working well in both modern and traditional settings, offering a richer sensory experience. 8. Statement lighting. Lighting plays a crucial role in setting the mood and highlighting key features in a living room. Transformations often involve replacing standard fixtures with bold, statement pieces that serve as both functional and decorative elements. Consider a room with a dramatic chandelier or a series of sleek pendant lights that draw the eye upwards, creating a focal point. Statement lighting can also be used to accentuate artwork or architectural details, adding layers of interest. It's a transformative element that not only illuminates but also elevates the overall design. 9. Bold patterns and prints. Patterns and prints are making a comeback in living room transformations, adding personality and flair. From bold geometric rugs to floral wallpapers, these elements can redefine a space. Imagine a once plain room, now vibrant with a patterned accent wall and colorful cushions. Patterns offer an opportunity to experiment and express creativity, allowing homeowners to make a bold statement. When used strategically, they can also guide the eye, create illusions of space, or highlight specific areas. It's a playful approach that brings energy and life to any living room. 10. Embracing artistry. Art plays a pivotal role in transforming living rooms, serving as both inspiration and a focal point. A well-placed piece of art can set the tone for the entire space, whether it's a large canvas, a sculpture, or a gallery wall. Imagine a living room that revolves around a striking abstract painting, influencing color choices and furniture arrangements. Art transformations allow homeowners to infuse their personality into the space, making it uniquely theirs. It's not just about decoration, it's about creating an environment that resonates with the soul and sparks conversation.